Alright, so this is a update video on lawnmowers, and there's stuff on the camera lens. Blurry. I'm Jay Smart. Update on this. It's been 2.5 weeks since I last made that last clip on this. This video isn't even done yet. Got an I need to want it and adjusted. Tried starting it, and a bunch of feelers out of the bottom of the carburetor. I pulled the carb off, and it's not in here, but these were the gaskets. They're all old. I pulled them apart. This is the float ball gasket. And it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's old and dry, cracked, and yeah, you can see it there. It's terrible. And the carburetor's not in here, but it looks rusty and corroded on the inside. It's all scratched up there. Keep the end tight, but here's the bowl. I already cleaned it a bit, but yeah, this main jet's not looking too much better either. Yeah, that's too great. So and also this is the fuel line that from the filter to the carb. Oh, come on, you. Yeah, that leaked. So I ordered the carb kit off Amazon for $18. Well, actually $25 because there's no free shipping option, which is annoying. Carburetor, the air filter to carburetor gasket. What is it? Fuel filter, fuel shutoff, fuel line, air filter, and spark plug for $25, including shipping. So I got that off Amazon. Found a set of 5 of the gases I need for $10 on eBay. That was the best deal I could find on those. Even though you'd think it would be better than that because it's a very common style gasket, but five of them for $10 were the best you could find on eBay. Order one of those too. The gas will probably be here in a week and a half or a week. The carb kits will be here Wednesday. So until I get those, I can't do any more with this. But I decided I wasn't fixing to sell this one, but I decided that it's all rusty, and I can really only get $30 at most for this thing, and wheels on the ridge are going to slide around a lot. So I decided just to rob the engine off it and even part it out. Before I put the metal wheels in the basement, I'm going to see. I have a 1988 Western International 3.5 horsepower mower that needs a blade. I had a blade, but it was bent, so I decided to scrap that blade because I don't want to sell it on anyone else. Because a big, heavy, sharp piece of metal spinning at several thousand RPM, so that all of its structural integrity, I'm not going to bend it back. So if this one will fit, I'll rob it off this one, put it on the other one, and then work on fixing that one. So it's pretty cool. Oh, I got the little homemade shower I had. I traded it for this one. Oh, Yardman, 2012 Yardman, sure cut power mower 159cc. Needs a carb clean and a blade sharpen and a pressure wash. It was missing a little thing right here for the pull cord handle. So it's just dangling here. I had one in my parts bucket, so I put that on there. It runs for a second on carb cleaner, but that's I need to clean the carburetor. We got the Austin under a tarp, and there's not going to be an update video on that for now. I have too many other things to get done. Here's my Jeep that I mentioned a few times. My Jurassic Park part. I need to get a new windshield frame because mine's rusty, and on the top where the screw holes are for the soft top channel, it's all cracked and dented up and just terrible. So that's going to be very difficult to fix, and I don't have a welder. So I'm just going to get a better one off Marketplace, sell this one for like $100. I'm keeping my wiper stuff off because it has like brand new wipers on it, and the life motor stuff obviously, but sell that one, get a different one. Get a soft top channel, brand new, and a metal one. Put threaded inserts in the hole so they don't ship out again. And then get the cracked top with like the tan non-tinted window with like the angled door uppers like that, but tan factory style soft top like they had in Jurassic Park. And then I have to move this thing outside so we can work on stuff with the house. Then I'll do all the timing chain stuff because it needs a timing chain. But since I have access to that, I'll do the timing chain, camshaft and crankshaft sprockets, the tensioner, the guide, and the cover oil seal. And I want to clean the timing cover. I'll probably, if there's a gasket on the timing cover, I'll place that one too. And I might also paint the timing cover, but I don't know. I also got this little thing here that I was missing for a while. I got one of those for free. So I'm going to work on, see if the blade off this is the same as the Western International's blade. Well, bad news. I took the blade off, and it's not the same. It's not that little like castle 6-point thing. It's just a circle. Still have a use getting the blade off because I have to get this engine out, but that's annoying. I have to wait for parts more now. I have like 5 blades, 3 of them this type of circle, and the other one has it's a similar adapter, but not the same adapter, and I can't use it. So, yeah, I need to wait until I get another parts mower in. Either from the scrapper or somewhere else, so to fix that mower. So, 3 mowers out there, still any parts I don't have. That one needs a carb clean, so at least I have one I can work on. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to work on ripping the rest of this thing apart, rip the wheels, bar, and the engine off it. I might save the height adjusters, but probably not. So, I'm just going to scrap the deck. I don't want to sell that rusty junk deck on anyone else. So, that's cool. Alright, we're going to get the engine out. There's 3 bolts, 9/16, but it's from 1990, and it's the first time anyone in 33 years has messed with those. So, I thought there would be 40 on them. I let them sit there for probably 10 or 15 minutes. Go do something else, come back to that, because I don't want to break those bolts out or break my socket. After I get the engine out, then I do probably the wheels and then the bar. Someone added the dead man switch is missing. Probably Jay added that. It has a cool little lever. The electronic switch, somebody, it looks terrible, but I could probably put that in one of the 2 mowers I have that's missing the dead man handle, but I don't want to do that. I want to save that for something I own. Just save all of that as one piece and stick it on something else. I might put that on the rally, because I don't know how to build that myself. I might put that on the rally, but probably not. The rally's only worth like $50, so I don't really need to sell it urgently. I've had it for almost 2 years, as well as the other one that I was going to put the blade off of that onto, but I don't know. Alright, I'm going to do something else now.